Storm out. Sister Marie, storm out here because I ain't a more way for now.
No Ghana can draw a brontina that.
Oh,
it's mini Ghana, maybe I bet you I am a measure or social media. So,
sir, London, ya day protest bar with feature. Me who said dedicated people like sugar drops. Oni ni kun bem omu di omu sike twom tikiti efi state owo mu akọ baby omu ye fix the country. They are called activists. Saasi kan me ka chesi say there on from brand na from kodua kan pepper baka chem na mi going on
against what Akufo-Addo is doing. What's the way incumbent government? What's the one now winning elections? 48 hours after elections, you to me declare results. Yes, because when we the only thing that will resolve this issue for us is we must go second round. The only thing that will resolve this issue.
The people who listen to this and Kevin, and can you see how it's been 2 years? That time no na me kram wo gidie won sem omo kaninam. Say me tie sesia na ma fere wo meeting say why was I listening to these people, including John Mahama? Dog can say your votes will count. ABC and ne. So I don't know what I am now going to vote for John Mahama to come and do. John Mahama had evil son. Why? On when we answers. I don't want the long. I want the answers. Is it A, B, C, or D? You had F for fail. Na me meeting si akontin. Share.
Your second round you are and you be who the true winner.
Yanko.
The second round and you be who the true winner. Now more.
Did they ever come to explain to MLK? Okay, so Martin Luther King was on the low for them chicks. Was even allegedly held under blackmail by CIA surveillance. I read it this afternoon, like I heard it. I wanted to read it, but it was taking my time. That's Martin Luther King. 19 okay, techie onwa bano obaka chance ono na langa dwafo no was start the pressure now barbering shops around the world that he's an entrepreneur. Sumawa Ababa.
A peace council. For 4 years, peace council what come on what to. Now you go to John Dramani Mahama's house to do what? To go and tell him, say, or no, now we're in, or no, on your day. John Mahama, yes, what Pamo feel.
Wow.
Very good. Well done, Mr. Mahama. Well done, former President Mahama. Well done. Why idea? Pamo hypocrites. Most of them Muslim peace. Every police for soldier for everybody pet you or my Ghana. Where were you? Where were you? When they deployed the military to Volta region to suppress the voters in the Volta region, where were you, Peace Council? Where were you? All the corruption that has been going on since Mr. Martin Amidu brought his report and told us that the guy is the mother serpent of corruption. Where were you? Where were you, Peace Council? Now you go to President Mahama's house to do what?
How dare
you go to President Mahama's house for what?
Good.
NDC for come out in your numbers for the first time in Ghana. It wasn't you proving yourselves. Actually, we have to prove ourselves to you. We don't have the elections way. Additionally, my future leaders said nobody can take Ghanaians.
Maria, we na udani Peter. Koko and bomb prince. We see minimum. Me kwa British politics and NDC for any akasa omunti enti mi sa na oba ya me kra ka ketu ebi na ya 90 me o mema nkwa na 90 omo. Moving on.
We must use this 2020 elections to send a signal to those who will come in future. As president in Ghana from 2024, 2028, 2032 going, they will not take Ghanaians for granted anymore. Someone who have this year about what
she really cares about Ghanaians, because to be a British woman and always be on our case. Oh, Nyami Shra, why, Sister Maria? Yate pa futu na woman yate so yemfa. Yate ba yemfa.
MPP NDC na ye nyina se ye hwea de afiri. Ye nyina ye hwea bibi. Na anu ya Mr. Marike Kofi Gan so okwa kogina as independent. Mo yi papa ni free about more disqualify Electoral Commission. You disqualified one of the independent candidates, Marek Kofi Gan. EPC and Marek Kofi Gan does not know exactly what he did. More chat on so were the fake signatures or they more call court, he was vindicated. The only thing the court said about they said to Marek Kofi Gan was that say yeah, they will come one because or when we be printing ballot papers in area. It means the guy didn't do anything. Yet they lied. The Electoral Commission lied. Why? Because this government, they saw that some of us were promoting Marek Kofi Gan. They saw that we were promoting Marek Kofi Gan. And the moment they realized that out of all the small political parties and the independent candidates, Marek was the strong contender. They had to remove Marek from the game.
Okay.
So they removed Marek.
Now Marek,
you tell me, said that the
minimum. Into Marek, into Nanka, Mintinsi, Kruma, Minam, Kobuno. Sister, you grow my insurance, is a winning. Sawala brother, no, uncle, dada, Nana Kufado, into brother, Edu dear, now see me after all, send it to Biano, maybe you see new into Yardin him. Yardin, why?
You are telling me that the Electoral Commission is credible. And I am the process NDC for us.
The Electoral Commission is not credible, allegedly, according to you. Okay. You see how big an institution it is that you are so convinced that I'm sure you have proof that I will believe. You see how confident you are to say it. Same confidence, no, I mean, so mommy meaning, me bet institutions are kakraka wo krum wa, omuye west. That is not to say that what she's saying is a lie, or to say that what she's saying is not important, or that all I'm saying is a bit of fee. Sister, a bit of fee, so fear for Krawu into my area. Until way. My area, oh, mammy, see a babe. Fisa Misha Massit's name, one shall be a lamb. Na air pollution or Kodana Damakan Netia. Ebusia Padia, San Ebusia Chico, a Cadamocrophone.
This is for Mama out.
Yeah,
because I am protesting, I am demonstrating, even here on social media. If you can make a Facebook video, make a Facebook video, right?
John Mahama himself should have been live the whole time through with us. That would have made a difference. We didn't have to be nowhere the hell on no street with the gaga and the bungams. You should have created a platform that time with John Mahama